Film 8217. This is a standard 2-queen room in the 90s section. Art of Animation, of Pop Century. So we've got one queen over there and one queen pull down, which I'll show in a minute. And, mini fridge, coffee maker, the coffee supplies are in here. Standard ice bucket. There's no microwave though. Decent sized flat screen TV. Lots of new outlets with the USB ports and the standard plugs over there, and also by the beds. Notice they've taken out the clocks. Figure everybody has a phone or some device that has a clock on it, but you can see I've got my phone charging there. The decor is much more modern. The flooring is also a nice hardwood instead of the carpeting that was getting a little beat up. They've got nice hardwood flooring. Got a nice door for privacy. Folks can get ready, seal out all the light and noise if folks are sleeping in. Place to hang your coats if you want. Or other clothes, other things, other space to store. We've got an iron and a hairdryer in here. Lots of shelves, lots of places to put stuff away, use the space efficiently. Bathroom is nicely updated as well. They're going away from the mini bottles and doing the just kind of larger dispensers and a nice rain shower head. No tub. It's a shower. A little easier to get in and out of. There you go. And here's the view from here. What we can do. And then if you want to fold down the bed, I would just slide. There's another nice feature of the floor, is you can just slide the chairs very easily. They'll just go right there. And then we'll just pull this down. It goes down very easy. Nice, comfortable bed. And again, it's not a fold out. There's no bar in the middle that's uncomfortable. It's a regular queen mattress. Very comfortable. There you go. So that you can save yourself some space during the day. Everybody wants to lay down and relax. You've got that option. There's still space to get in and out of the room. I mean, it's not a huge room, but it is very comfortable.